Hey there, this is Prompt Engineer. Welcome back to my channel, where I bring to you the latest and greatest in groundbreaking research. Today we have something truly mind-blowing to share with you all. Get ready to drag your way into a whole new world of image manipulation. So imagine this. You're scrolling through your social media feed and you come across a picture of a cute little kitty. But wait, what if you could actually change its pose and expression? Well, folks, hold on to your seats because we are about to introduce you to DragGAN or Drag Your GAN. DragGAN is like the magical wand of image manipulation. With just a few clicks, you can become a virtual puppeteer, pulling and pushing pixels to your heart's content. Moreover, Picasso. Yes, you heard it right. You can turn your car or change a landscape. The possibilities are endless. Now, this isn't your itty-bitty photo editing software, my friends. DragGAN is the real deal. Now let me break it down for you. In this groundbreaking research paper, the genius minds behind DragGAN have cracked the code to make GAN bend to your will. No more wrestling with complicated interfaces or relying on predefined models. We are talking ultimate control now. Look at this. You can simply click a few handle points shown in red and target points given in blue on an image, and boom, DragGAN does the rest. It magically moves those handle points to precisely reach their corresponding targets. It's like having your own personal Photoshop assistant. And the best part? The output is incredibly realistic. You can literally manipulate images in ways you have never even dreamt of before. Think of it as an extreme makeover image edition. You can deform shapes, change expressions, and even teleport objects. It's like having superpowers. Oh, and did I mention the flexible region? DragGAN lets you draw a mask to keep parts of the image fixed while you go wild with the rest. It's like having your own photo genie granting your wishes. But wait, there is more. DragGAN isn't just limited to virtual worlds. You can also use it to manipulate real images through GAN inversion. The line between reality and fantasy is getting blurrier by the minute, my friends. Who needs a time machine when you can have DragGAN? Now you can rewrite history, morph celebrities into aliens, or even give yourself that perfect hair day you've always dreamt of. Moreover, Hollywood. So there you go, folks. DragGAN is revolutionizing the way we manipulate images. It's like having Photoshop on steroids, but with a twist of magic. If you want to unleash your inner artist and have some serious fun, give DragGAN a try. But the code is not ready yet. You might have to wait till June of 2023. But thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more such interesting videos in future. This is your host, Prompt Engineer, signing off. Bye-bye. This video is now complete. Let's move on to the next videos, shall we?